yours. I mean, Time Lords. They built it. What does it do?
I don't know, never seen it before.
But it's Time Lord.
Both sides had secrets. What is it? What have you done?
Time Lord science will restore Dalek supremacy.
What does that mean? What sort of Time Lord science? What do you mean?
They said one touch from a time traveler will wake it up.
Technology using the one thing a Dalek can't do. Touch. Sealed inside your casing. Not feeling anything. Ever. From birth to death, locked inside a cold metal cage. Completely alone. That explains your voice. No wonder you scream.
The Doctor will open the Ark.
The Doctor will not.
You have no way of resisting.
Well, you got me there, although there is always this.
A sonic probe?
That screwdriver.
It is harmless.
Oh, yes. Harmless is just the word, that's why I like it. Doesn't kill, doesn't wound, doesn't maim. But I'll tell you what it does do. It is very good at opening doors.
Casing and pan, casing and pan. Firepower insufficient. Firepower insufficient. Come on. Daleks will be deleted. Adapt to weaponry. Firepower restored. Cybermen primary target.
Jack, we got the stairwell, we're rushing you, come on!
Cybermen have been exterminated. Daleks are supreme. The Genesis Ark is primed. The Ark needs area of 13 square miles. Move. Genesis Ark mobile.
I just fell. I didn't mean it.
Mickey, with ours, they'd have opened it by force. To do that, they'd have blown up the sun, so you've done us a favour. Now run!
You will be upgraded.
No, but you can't,
Pete!
Hello, Jax.
I said there were ghosts, but that's not fair. Why him?
I'm not a ghost.
But you're dead. You died 20 years ago, Pete.
It's Pete from a different universe.